स्वच्छ रहे, स्वस्थ रहे, स्वच्छ रहे, स्वस्थ रहे, स्वच्छ रहे, स्वस्थ रहे। स्वच्छता को अपनाना है, स्वच्छता को अपनाना है, स्वच्छता को अपनाना है। स्वच्छ रहे, स्वच्छ रहे, स्वच्छता को अपनाना है, स्वच्छता को अपनाना है। स्वच्छ रहो, स्वच्छ रहो, स्वच्छता को अपनाना है, स्वच्छता को अपनाना है। स्वच्छ रहो, स्वस्थ रहो। We, students of Diet Difu Karbi Anglong, has organized a awareness program on sanitation and hygiene, and through this program, by following all the protocols of the COVID-19, as well as we collected some young people of the society, and through this program, we have tried to convey our message to our society and the youth that how can they be healthy and what is the importance of the maintaining the sanitation and hygiene in their life. And in this program, we have made the student on the numerous of the issues that is related to their daily life. Like in this program, we highlighted the issue and informed the young women that how can they take the precaution during time of their period, as well as how they can make the society clean, as well as what is the importance of the hygiene. All these things we have discussed in this program, and through this video I would like to request all the viewers, those who are watching this video, to maintain the hygiene and follow all the necessary steps which is make us to be fit and healthy. Thank you. District Institute of Education and Training, Difu Karbi Anglong, and we students of the Diet has organized a awareness program on sanitation and hygiene, and through this program we have tried to make the people aware about that how can they make their surrounding clean, as well as its effect on the human lives. Because if we are not keep ourselves clean and the hygiene, then it's lead to the lots of the difficulties in our life. So through this program we have tried to organize a rally, as well as a program where we have informed the student as well as the young people of the society that how can they clean their society and themselves.